that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you're scared to do it, I'm not.
Hey subbies, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Bree here, and in today's video we're gonna be going through my hair journey, kind of. Yeah, so I'm starting off with this braided pattern. This is actually a week after I actually braided my hair. I totally forgot to take a picture or video when it was freshly done, but if you remember my previous post that I had did my braids in for a month, I took them out, and then these are the re-braids. So this one I plan on leaving in for 2 months, so you're gonna follow me kind of in the journey. I'm gonna show you some things that I've done. So I've been using this Chebe hair grease. This is how it's looking so far. It's already been a month, and I've been putting this in my hair. I try to do it every day, but do it as often as I can. And as you can see, I try to focus more so on my hair itself than on my scalp, so that it doesn't dry out my scalp too much. And here is the oil, the scalp stimulator. I definitely focus this directly to my scalp because, well, hello is in the name, but also because the oil, and to make sure to give my scalp that, you know, that moisture and that nutrients and things like that. And I make sure to rub that in as well. Now you do not want to neglect your ends, so I make sure I pull my braids down each time, and I make sure I also oil them as well. Then it's time to wrap your head up. I go ahead and put my scarf on, and off to bed I go. Y'all, it's been a month since I last did any recording on my hair, and I just got out the shower, just washed my hair. This was the first wash since it's been braided, and yeah, this is what a month is looking like. This yeah, I think the products are working. So I go ahead and I make sure to dry my hair before wrapping it up again, because the last thing you want is your hair to be wet and it be mildew or something.
Much later.
Okay, so I want to show you guys how my hair has been doing and what been looking so far. I just wanted to come on here really quickly because I just had a reaction to something. I'm pretty sure it was a cat hair that I accidentally put in my face. But as you can see, my face is all kinds of messed up right now. I did take an allergy pill, so hopefully that's, you know, set soon and everything goes down. If you guys have any suggestions on what you do when it comes to these problems, if you deal with allergies as well, please leave a comment down below and a tip for me, because it's been unusual. I mean, I'm used to it, but at the same time, it's something different about this time around this year. I just wanted to get that out there in case you guys are wondering what the hell is going on with my face. Alright you guys, so we are already on month number 2. I'm gonna show you the grease in a second. This is what it's looking like after, this is technically the 3rd month. So I ran out of the oil, and I used a little bit of this to try to help with putting some oil on my scalp. I use it mainly because it has tea tree oil and it helps with the itching. So this is me applying the grease. This is how I apply it every time. I made sure to focus on my hair, but I also get my scalp. In the beginning I didn't do my scalp too much, but as time went on, I just basically just put it everywhere and just just make sure the grease is fully saturated. Yeah, so after I do that, I throw my wig on and I go about my day. I have been doing this same routine for the past 2 months now. And another week after this, it will be officially 2 months, and I will be posting me taking my braids out. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.
All that I'm around, you're scared to do.